Hey everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. Today I'm going to be making a mold out of mold making silicone. Now it seems to be a normal practice of resin crafting, so I thought I would try it out. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get started. So let's start off with measuring both parts of the silicone mold maker. This one's easy to measure at as it's 1:1 ratio for part A and part B. Use 2 separate cups to pour out both parts and then mix them together for 3 to 5 minutes. Next, I got a silicone mold, placed a mermaid tail cabochon in the middle and then poured the liquid silicone mold maker over it. If you do not have enough liquid silicone, like I did, then make some more until the entire cabochon has been covered. Once it has been covered, leave it to set. The silicone mold maker that I used said it would cure in 6 hours, but I left it overnight just to be safe. Once the mold is cured, unmold it and remove the cabochon. Cut off any excess mold that seeped through underneath the mermaid tail. Now the mold is ready to be used. Now I'm going to test this out with some UV resin and a whole lot of glitter. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if this mold has actually worked. Okay, great, it's actually turned out pretty well. There's just a few little bits of resin on the side, but I can easily just sand that away. But it's gotten its shape. It looks pretty nice. It doesn't look weird at all. I think it's actually turned out pretty well. Alright, so that's how you make a mold. I'm actually pretty happy with the overall result. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye!